Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get a donation button on your Roblox mobile. So you cannot do this through Roblox app, you need to do it through the browser of your phone. So open any browser you want and search for create.roblox.com. Make sure you search for this. Once you search for create.roblox.com, as you guys can see at the bottom, it's going to take you to this page. Now once you're in this page, make sure to log in into your account. And if you have already logged in into your account, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here, you need to have a game, which means a world inside a game. I already have a world in my game. So what I'm going to do is click on this world, the Roblox world. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to this overview page. Now once I'm in this overview page, I can click on the 3 line at the top left and click on where it says associated items. And under associated items, I can see this option called passes. I need to click on passes. So in order to get a donation button, you need to create a pass and put that pass for sale. That is basically what donation is. You put something for sale and other people buy it. So what you can do is click on create a pass and create yourself a pass. You can upload image to show other people what items or what things you're going to say, but I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to name it please donate. So this is what people are going to buy and I'm going to get Robux in exchange for it. And in description, I'm going to write I need donation. Now you can add whatever you want, but I wrote this. I will click on create pass. Once I do it, one of my pass will be created. But just because the pass is created, it's not over. It still says off sale. So we need to put it on sale. So what I'm going to do is click on the pass again and it's going to open up. Now what I can do is click on the 3 line at the top left again. And this time I'm going to click on sales. And from inside sales, I need to turn on item for sale. And over here, I need to enter a price. So for this, I'm going to enter 50 Robux. So if somebody wants to buy it, they have to purchase it for 50 Robux. But I'm only going to receive 35 because half of it is going to go to Robux. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind. So I will click on save changes and I have done it. Now it's on sale. Now people can buy it and I will receive Robux for it. Alright, so that's how you guys can get donation on Robux. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.